Hello friends, welcome back to yet another video of Microsoft Excel tutorial. In this video, I'll talk about text related functions in Microsoft Excel. So without wasting time, let's get into the practical stuff. So here, these Excel text related functions. So first I'll start with upper. If I apply upper here and I pass range E2 and then hit enter, so Asian will be converted into all in uppercase, right? So now you can see it's written in uppercase. Same goes to another function which is similar but opposite, lower. If I pass function and pass the range, so it will be converted into lowercase, right? And here is one more function, that is len. So it will count the length of this particular ring. So here 5, Asian, all Asian 5. Here we've got 9, 6, and if I put maybe only one letter here, so you'll see 1. If I put 2 letter here, you can see 2. This way we can use that. Next is left. Here you can see manufacturing. If you want only man from manufacturing or core from this one, then res, so and so forth, right? So what I need to put, I'll use left. This is first parameter. I'm passing it range, and then how many characters you want to retrieve from that particular text. Say for example, I want to retrieve 3. So that means from manufacturing, I want to retrieve only man. So you'll get man. From corporate, you'll get core, and so on. So you can increase the number of characters which you want to increase. Say for example 6 character, right? So you'll get manufa, and same goes to corporate as well. So this way you can use left. This is very useful function. Same goes to right. So suppose you want to retrieve only 2 characters from right side. That means in case of manufacturing, that means it will start with G from the right side, ng from manufacturing. So it will retrieve that ng, ee in corporate, and so on. So you can get last 2 characters. If you want maybe last 5 characters, so you can pass 5. So second argument is nothing but number of characters which you want to retrieve. After that, concatenate. Concatenate is a useful function too. Concatenation is used to join two strings. It could be range, it could be characters. Suppose I want to join concat. First I'll write concat. I can write concat and concatenation as well. Right? Concat. So suppose I want to join engineering and manufacturing, comma manufacturing, and sales or corporate after that. Right? You can see engineering and manufacturing. Right? But you can see they are very close, right? So I can put one more parameter which may be like I want to give some sort of a gap over here. So I can use double quote, pass only, space, and then comma. It will be separated. Now I'll drag it. So you can join 2 and more string. After that, I wanna proper. So proper is something wherein you have written something in lowercase and in uppercase. I've written here. These are written in all in uppercase, then lowercase, length, right? Concatenate. So what I want everything in proper, right? So I had applied proper here. So now I can see proper. The first character will be in proper case and then rest will be lowercase. So I'll give you one more example here. Suppose here you can see name. So Kaylee, if I make it lower in lowercase, the first character also in lowercase k, on all are upper after that, right? So if I apply proper here, so you can see first character has to be in proper case, that is uppercase, and rest will be lowercase, and then after space there will be first character which is in uppercase. So now you can see first k a I in lower, and then after space e as upper and then lower. So you can see it has converted it in a proper way, right? All in proper. After that, trim. So trim will reduce space, extra spaces. Suppose I want to give some space here after that. So one space is permitted, right? And here I can give, after Patel I'll give some space, and in this case I'll give more space. So now you can see these all are written in with space, extra space. I'll use trim. So trim will take off the extra spaces. So one space is permitted, otherwise all space will be gone. So you can see leading spaces as well as trailing spaces will be removed from here. If I paste special this paste special, so you can see Robert Patel. After that, there is no space, right? So I'll keep this video till this point. In next video, I'll talk about other functions. Thanks for watching this video. If you think this video is helpful for you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.